Hi, in today's tutorial we are going to learn about the attendance sheet in Excel. So we have like here the number of staffs, their names, and we have days like 7 days for which we are going to calculate whether which person how many days they attended. Okay, when it is for a month we will consider through 30 days. When it is like for a week we will just consider for 7 days or how many days, whatever you want. So like here in this sheet I will write here and use some formula here, like I will write here equal sign and count. If then start a bracket, then I will select here these 7 days. Make sure if it is for a month, so it will be calculated for 30 days, and then you are going to select 30 days, then comma and double quotation here. Then I will write here P as a present. Here we have present and absent. Present means he attended, he or she attended, and absent means like he or she, the person did not attend it. Okay, then double quotation again and close the bracket and enter. Look here, this person attended 7 days. In 1 day he was absent. Okay, then I'm going to copy the same formula to other rows as well to find whether how many days each person attended. Okay, so look here, there is the present days for each and every person. Okay, like when I change here, like this day this person was present, then it will change automatically. Also like when I change to other days as well, it will change automatically. Okay, so in this way we will be able to find the attended days count for many staffs in person who are in one organization and school, whatever, like you're going to find their present days very easily, so via this method and with Excel sheet. And for this kind of more information, subscribe our channel, press the bell icon and stay tuned for other tutorials. Bye bye.